Hello and welcome back to my space. It's Renee here and thank you for joining me for another video. So today, as the title suggests, I am doing an unboxing. Yes, my first unboxing. I'm so excited. Unboxings are probably my #1 favorite video to watch on YouTube. Just seeing what everyone purchases is just like I can live vicariously through other people. So today we're going to be unboxing Brandon Blackwood purse. He is a black designer, and as my previous videos suggested, I wanted to just make more of a conscious effort just to build my wardrobe with more everyday pieces that speak to me that I can mix and match. So I discovered Brandon Blackwood actually on Instagram. You know, you can actually find a whole lot of things on Instagram. I have like a love-hate relationship with social media. But I discovered Brandon Blackwood on Instagram, just scrolling through one day, and it was during Black Friday, I believe, and they were just highlighting black-owned businesses and black-owned brands, and I came across his Instagram page and I went on his website, and I just thought, wow, his designs are so interesting. He has like classic bags, he has more fun bags that you can mix and match with things, and it's just refreshing, like a fresh face, finally something else or a different designer that you can look into and add to your wardrobe. The Louis Vuittons, the Gucci's, the Pradas, they're all great, but we need to make space for other people. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned for the unboxing. My package came like this. I ordered it on a pre-order, and I believe that's how he does his purchases. He has some that are available right away, but I ordered mine on pre-order. Initially, when I went in to buy the bag, it was sold out. So with this, I ordered it on pre-order, and then I guess once it was available for sale, it shipped out. It said it was supposed to ship out December 15th, but I feel like I got a shipment order before that. So I think the shipping is pretty decent, especially during times like this when everyone's packages are getting lost or held up. So, okay, so it came in a duster bag just like this, a white one, and it says Brandon Blackwood, New York. Isn't it beautiful? This is the Brandon Blackwood KUEI bag, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it is a mini bag. And like I said, I'm not sure where the video cut off or not, but like I said in the previous video, I'm trying to be more conscious of what I put into my wardrobe. I got rid of a whole lot of other clothes, and I'm just keeping things that I can mix and match with each other. I already have all the nude bags and all the navy bags and the black bags. This is still something I can mix and match with everything else, but still has like a fun print. And that's why I decided to purchase first from his line. So I think it was around Black Friday. I was on Instagram and I just came across a post about black-owned businesses that we could support. And it was during the whole conversation around the Birkin bags and things like that. And I saw his name pop up. So I went on his Instagram page and took a look at his website. And originally the bag, I wanted to get this bag in just black. I'm like, you know what, you already have so many black bags, but then all the bags, they sold out. So again, he offered pre-order because he was doing a restock. So I pre-ordered this. I believe the price was about $125. I don't believe I paid any shipping. If I did, either way, it depends. It probably wasn't that much. And I'm going to go through the specifications of this bag. I'm going to do like a cutaway where you can see the bag in detail. I'm not exactly sure of the specific name for this bag because I don't see it on the website anymore. It's like a bandana print or a paisley print. I could be wrong, but this is just, I love it. Isn't it so cute? Okay, I'm gonna get the specifications of this bag. So even though this bag is no longer on the website, I do remember that it's being 100% genuine vegan. It's vegan leather. So it's not real leather, but it's still a very good quality. You wouldn't be able to tell. It has the two, I'm not sure what these are called as well, like the 2 little feet on the bottom. That's 4 little feet on the bottom. So when if you want to stand your bag up, you can stand it up like that. You don't have to worry about it being placed directly on the counter. The dimensions of this bag are 7 inches in length, 5.5 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth. Now this bag has like a little zip in the front here. It's cute, like just for design. I don't think it's like a functional. There's a little opening in the middle, like a snap opening, snap closure. And it does come with a crossbody strap, which I love because I like to transition my bag when I'm holding the top handle or just throwing it around my shoulder, like if I'm in the mall or I'm shopping, it's going to be hands-free. This will also be good. A lot of people, they've been buying their own straps because sometimes they don't like the straps that the bags come with, but you can either do both or I prefer to keep the straps that come with my bags. But this will be a great way for me to downsize because I literally carry my life in my purses. I'll have my work bag and I have another work tote. This, if I just want to be cute and just has like a pop of a print to my outfits, I can even wear what I have on now. This classic neutral look and just add this as a pop of a print. Love it. Let's see what fits inside. So as far as what fits inside, my two main necessities are going to be my phone and my card case. So it has all my credit cards and my debit cards and my license with me. So let's see if it fits inside. I have an 8 plus and I don't plan on upgrading anytime soon. Quite fine. That fits in kind of on an angle. Well, if I put it straight down, it probably will fit. And it does have a little inside pocket in here too. And my card case. My keys I would typically just hold in my hand. I have like a key holder from Louis Vuitton and it's huge, and I have a billion keys like I'm a janitor. So I'm just expect that to fit in any purse I have, to be quite honest. And we have it like this, and they fit inside. Don't expect to fit too much in here though. Just your necessities, literally just your necessities, and maybe a mask or two could fit in here. Let's try and hook on the strap and see how it looks. So straps can be hooked on like so. It's 2 little hooks inside the purse. And it's an adjustable strap as well. I think if you're gonna add your own strap, I think it will look really good if you add your own strap and still keep this one. Something like as a dual strap. So if you're shorter, you can either just wear it on your side like that, or you can extend it longer and make it a crossbody. I kind of like it like this with the little zip. So guys, that was my unboxing of my Brandon Blackwood piece. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you're interested in the bag. Go take a look at his website. It's brandonblackwood.com. And also leave down below if you have any other black designers that you think I'll be interested in or we should take a look at. Feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye.